G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 29 Fraser Drive in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. There is a lot to see on this property. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on an elevated 809 square metre allotment in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of River Heads, which is the gateway to the Great Sandy Straits and Fraser Island. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the River Heads boat ramp and barge services to World Heritage listed Fraser Island, where you can easily access the Great Sandy Straits, the Mary and Susan rivers, which is a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also have the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from the local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, cafés, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This high-set home was completed in 2010 and offers the option for dual living across both levels. Upon entering the home on the top floor, the open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes the kitchen with a ceiling fan and reverse cycle air conditioning as well. The kitchen offers ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood and a dishwasher drawer. The expansive covered alfresco outdoor entertaining deck does seamlessly connect with the open plan living and dining area and offers views towards Fraser Island. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms across the top floor, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom also includes split system reverse cycle air conditioning and offers direct access out to the alfresco entertaining deck. The bathroom features a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. On the ground floor to the rear of the garage, you've got a fully lined open plan living area which could make up a 4th bedroom when required, as you've also got a bathroom with a shower, vanity and toilet, making it ideal for those long forgotten guests and friends who are sure to arrive once they know you're living in beautiful Hervey Bay. The laundry is located on the top floor and does offer direct access outside to the clothesline via the rear stairs. Vehicle accommodation includes a double garage with 1 remote door and direct internal access into that downstairs living area. You also have a double carport to the front below the deck. This property also offers ample space to accommodate large RVs and caravans and boats. Those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the 2 rainwater tanks, and you've also got solar hot water as well. Homes offering these features in this price bracket are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.